Okay, off to our next segment. In this segment, we'll talk about on-page optimization. Okay, so now that you know what SEO is, now that you've done your keyword research, you took a look at your competitors, you took a look at the market and what's going on, you've done your own kind of search in Google and you saw all the suggestions and you put it in Keyword Planner and you created a list of your products and their keywords. Now it's time to actually optimize your page with these keywords. You're going to actually add these keywords into the actual page and we're going to optimize the actual content, okay? Now that's not the only thing we're going to do. Keywords are not the entirety of SEO and on-page optimizations. We're actually going to do other things as well, which I'm going to actually go into. So this specific example that we have is through GoDaddy website. Now you might have a WordPress website. If you work for a company, it might be their actual CRM system or their CMS system, customer management, customer CMS system like WordPress or whatever they're using, or it could be a CRM like Salesforce. It could be anything. So make sure it's actually editable. Okay, that's the actual point I was going to get to. Make sure your website is editable. Make sure you could actually change the text in your website because a lot of companies don't allow to do this, especially in America. So make sure before you actually invest in learning how to actually do this, make sure you could actually do it in your website. So we're going to talk about a general brokerage here, SJ Insurance Services. They are offering, again, all these insurance products here, auto, home, life, etc. We're going to talk about how to actually optimize the actual page with the keywords that we have. So, without further ado, we're going to actually talk about how to optimize your on-page SEO. So, first thing is first, let's just take a look at this here. Privacy notice, and then we have our footer here. This would be a footer, this would be the map, and then this would be the contact form. Okay. So now that we have our keywords, we're going to make sure the actual keyword is within our main headline. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come up with a few copy ideas in order for me to input this copy within above the fold. So the main actual homepage text, we're gonna have to put our main keywords in here. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna create some copy. Okay, so I'm back. We have some options with our keywords in terms of headlines for our home page. So remember, we did keyword research. These are some keywords along with the brand name. If you're using your own private name, then just go ahead and use your private name and then the actual keywords we researched, right? So we're going to go with the first one here. We're going to do SJ Insurance, get the best insurance coverage in Las Vegas. You know what? Let's go for... So yeah, let's do that. Let's do this. The first one, instead of insuring a brighter future, which is kind of pointless. It has no keywords in it. We're just going to put some stuff with keywords in here. And then we're going to change this phrase here. We're going to do, we are committed. We are committed. Then we have our keyword here, Las Vegas. Best insurance coverage in Las Vegas. Let's do great. And then we have our call to action. Get a quote. That looks good. Additional on-page stuff. YSJ Insurance after working blah 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 blah. Looks good. Make sure you have some keywords in here as well. Insurance carriers. All right, I'm going to create some copy here that is tailored for the words Las Vegas and insurance. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with some additional content. So instead of this, we're going to actually add this. We're a Las Vegas-based industry, etc. So I'm just inputting the local keywords here, Las Vegas area, Las Vegas based, etc. Now, we have some additional Las Vegas keywords in here. We have our H1, which is headline 1, which as our main keyword, insurance coverage in Las Vegas. And then we have a nice catchphrase phrase here. We have a call to action that we're not going to change. Try to add in additional Las Vegas based keywords here. Some additional local keywords here as well from your list. And then we are going to take a look at some other on-page issues right now. Okay, so we're mostly done with our on-page optimizations. Remember, this is a GoDaddy website. It doesn't have as many options as a WordPress website. So remember, within WordPress, you do have the options to change the the headline 1, headline 2, within the actual content within your website. So make sure you do have your local keywords here, Las Vegas based, and then you're actually using your keyword list. So broker, agency, quote, agent, you make that organically, put it organically within the content. So about a section, you would put in, you would insert the keywords Las Vegas agency or Las Vegas broker, agent, broker, agency, quote, all these different kind of variables. Put that in organically in a way that would help the user out, and as well as rank you within Google. And then, yes, in terms of on-page, that's pretty much what you would need to do. Make sure the content has your keywords. Make sure you segment your headlines to H1 and H2 if you have WordPress or any CMS that would allow that. And that's pretty much what you'll need to do. Just make sure you have your correct keywords, you have good content, and that is the basics of on-page SEO for your insurance agency website.